Hello, my name is Brian. I'm your fitness trainer, and today I want to share some tips gear you for living a healthy life and preventing disease. First, it's essential to eat a balanced diet, include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins in your diet and avoid processed and sugary foods. This will help keep your body strong and prevent diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Second, get regular physical activity, just 30 minutes a day of moderate exercise, such as walking, running, swimming, or cycling, is enough. Exercise improves your cardiovascular health, strengthens your muscles, and help you maintain a healthy weight. There, don't forget to get plenty of rest. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night allows your body to recover and reduces your risk of chronic diseases and mental health problems. Additionally, it's important to stay hydrated and avoid excessive alcohol and tobacco use, as these habits can seriously affect your health. Remember that small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference in your long-term well-being. Thank you.